Hi, I'm Deep, a technical marketing engineer with the NVIDIA Metropolis team. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how you can post-train NVIDIA Cosmos 3 model with NVIDIA TAO fine-tuning skills and coding agents in about 5 minutes. No need to manually wire Docker containers, dataset setup, launch commands, or training configurations. With just two simple natural language prompts, we will push our model's accuracy by almost 40%. For example, when asked about this road formation, the zero-shot model misses the traffic signal tucked away in the top left corner. After post-training, it is correctly able to identify the scene as an intersection with a signal. For the workflow, I'll start with a simple prompt asking Codex to generate the low-rank adaptation or LoRA training and evaluation workflow. Fine-tune the Cosmos model and compare the results against a baseline. Then I will introduce TAO AutoML to let the agent explore multiple configurations and optimize performance even further. But how does a coding agent like Codex know how to fine-tune a model or navigate the underlying framework, launcher, and data loader? That's exactly where TAO agent skills come in. TAO 7 includes a comprehensive library of pre-built skills. Each skill packages everything you need to train, evaluate, and serve a specific model class. You just have to prompt the coding agent with a model and data path. Let's use these skills to fine-tune Cosmos with a real-world dataset, the woven traffic safety dataset from Toyota. We will focus on multiple choice question task, which includes more than 8,000 training and validation samples. Let's start with the setup. I'm going to show you how to install TAO skills for Codex. You can find similar instructions for Claude on the TAO skills bank GitHub page. The absolute fastest way to get started is by running this automated installation script directly from our GitHub repository. This single line handles the entire Codex configuration for you. If you prefer a hands-on approach and want to see what the script does under the hood, here is the manual workflow. First, you add the TAO skill bank plugin to the Codex marketplace using the displayed command. Again, you can find all the commands used in the video on our GitHub page to easily follow along. Next, open Codex, type /plugins, search for TAO, select the plugin and press enter, and then select the second option to confirm. This installs the entire TAO skill set. To ensure this skills persist across sessions, copy agents.md from TAO plugin cache directly into Codex directory. This final credential step is required for both automated and manual setup paths. Populate the terminal environment with the required credentials. We will export our keys for the Hugging Face token to enable model downloads, the NGC key for the TAO Docker containers, and the AutoML LLM key for our guided proposer in AutoML, which I'll explain later in the video. Now your environment is configured and ready. In the same environment, open Codex and prompt to fine-tune the Cosmos 3 model on the WTS dataset with LoRA Fine-Tuning, providing the data path and the Hugging Face repository ID. Then you can ask it to evaluate the final model and compare it against the baseline too. Codex instantly queries TAO skills to determine the ideal workflow, selecting the Cosmos reason skill since it's specifically optimized for Cosmos models. The agent also flags a missing video FPS parameter within the annotations and automatically prepares a patch for it. Because the model wasn't cached locally, Codex automatically pulls it from Hugging Face using our provided token. Before training kicks off, Codex evaluates the base model to establish a baseline. As the logs stream in, we can see that the base model scores 54.41% accuracy. With the baseline established, the LoRA fine-tuning process begins. You can see that the Codex generates a config for LoRA fine-tuning using the TAO skills, and shortly after, the training starts. Let's wait for the first optimizer steps to verify everything is running correctly. That's the first optimizer step logged in the console, confirming that the training is successfully underway. Once the training concludes, the agent transitions to evaluating the fine-tuned model. Looking at the final metrics, the base model accuracy jumped from 54.41% to an impressive 87.14% for the fine-tuned model, a massive 32% point improvement. It also mentions all the files created for this experiment. You have now created an entire end-to-end pipeline managed by the agent from that single initial prompt, powered entirely by TAO skills. But can we push Cosmos's accuracy even higher? Absolutely, by averaging the TAO AutoML skill. Instead of manually trying one configuration at a time, TAO AutoML lets the agent run a structured sweep across the most important fine-tuning parameters. It supports strategies like Bayesian optimization, hyperband, BOHP, which is a combination of the first two, batch first Bayesian optimization, and the new LLM guided variants, where an LLM proposes and tests configuration based on its own knowledge. Any OpenAI compatible endpoint works to be used as LLM proposer. For now, I'm using Gemini API endpoint as the LLM, and that's what the earlier AutoML LLM API key was for. Now you submit a new prompt to initiate an AutoML sweep and let TAO choose suitable AutoML strategies. The agent immediately routes this request to TAO AutoML workflow skill to coordinate the sweep and starts generating candidate experiments. From there, it launches each trial, tracks the result, and records the hyperparameters and evaluation metrics for comparison. Looking at the final tally, our AutoML LoRA run using the BOHP strategy delivered an impressive 93.27% accuracy. TAO's Bayesian algorithm pushes the performance even higher, hitting 93.35% accuracy. Although we focused on LoRA, TAO also supports full parameter supervised fine-tuning. Finally, you can ask the agent to generate a detailed experiment report including the hyperparameter sweep details and a few examples to show performance improvement. Let's look at the generated report. At the top, the report summarizes the most important numbers, the base model, the LoRA fine-tuned, and the best AutoML accuracy. Next, it lists best configuration including the search strategy and the key hyperparameters that produced the top result. After that, the report breaks down each search strategy and shows the number of trials that were run under each one. Let's take a look at a few example videos. For this, TAO AutoML tuned model recovers a case that plain LoRA model missed. Here, again the baseline and plain LoRA outputs are missed while the AutoML model selects the correct answer. And finally, this section captures the full sweep details. And that's the full workflow. 2 simple prompts, 1 highly repeatable workflow to post-train Cosmos 3 for video reasoning. TAO Skills manages the underlying complexity of fine-tuning, and TAO AutoML helps improve validation accuracy beyond the initial LoRA result. To try this yourself and explore these capabilities further, check out NVIDIA Cosmos 3, the TAO Skills Bank GitHub repository, and the TAO Toolkit documentation linked below. You will find information on Cosmos 3, TAO, installation commands, and a deeper dive into AutoML strategies that we covered today. Thanks for watching and happy training.